Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, the show where I microwave shit so you don't have to. Today, I'm going to be microwaving gummy bears. Not just a few of them, not just 54 like the famous viral video did, but close to 500. I don't know the exact amount, but let's just say 500. Because there's between 60 and 65 in each package. I've got 8 packages. Whole shitload of gummy bears. Let's get microwaving. Here's the container in which the gummy bears will be microwaved. I got gummy bears coming out my ass here, and this is the container I'm going to be doing them in. The microwave I'm going to be doing them in is none other than the lovely Sarah, the Sharp Half-Pint microwave. And I'm hoping these provide some real entertainment for you guys. Alright, I'm going to do 15 minutes, and I hope that's enough to thoroughly melt all the gummy bears. Oh, that's about it for that. I had to stop this early because you can tell there's a rainstorm moving through. It's not good for microwaving. Let's examine the post-product. This weird, gloopy tar type of soap. And these gummy bears weren't just microwaved. They were absolutely liquefied into a soup. Gummy bear soup, absolutely delicious looking. What do you think? Now, as to whether or not you should do this at home, I say yeah, why not, but use a much smaller amount than I did. Now, after seeing the viral video, hopefully you're satisfied with the results of me showing you how to microwave gummy bears properly. So this is Captain Microwave signing off, saying stay tuned for the season finale, which will be very exciting.